Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix common Starlink problem on iPhone. First, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and you're connected with good internet. Hold the power button, slide it off, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears small glitches that can block internet access. If that doesn't work, restart your Starlink router, unplug the router from power, wait for 1 minute, then plug it back in. Give it a few minutes to reconnect. Now check the Starlink app on your iPhone. Open the app and look any alert like observation or offline. If it says observation, make sure that this has a clear view of the sky, no tree or building blocking it. Another quick fix is to forget and connect Wi-Fi. For that, go to settings, tap Wi-Fi next to Starlink and choose forward this network. Then reconnect and enter the password again. If apps are loading slowly, try turning airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your phone's connection. Finally, make sure your iPhone software is up to date. For that, go back to the settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If none of this step work, open the Starlink app and contact support. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.